My sweatshirt is from Gap and shorts from Abercrombie. This is like my favorite comfy summer fit. Let's go. Because I want to drink it before I brush my teeth, but my secret to my coffee recipe is that I add heavy whipping cream. I add this stuff instead of creamer or milk or almond milk. No, this way, I'm not even kidding, it makes the coffee smell so good and tastes so good. I don't even like whip it up, I just add the liquid in there. Go try it. You need to go try it. It's so good. It's so good. Thank you. Got my sunglasses. We're gonna go driving now. I change into this shirt. It's like my going out shirt so I don't contaminate any other. I lost my mom. Wow. Say something interesting.
No, you have to focus.
Okay. No one on the road right now. Guys, I just learned a TikTok dance and this is actually like on the easier side and I think I'm doing it really good. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm becoming a TikTok girl. Oh, okay. I ain't got it. Naked, burn up, Tempest blazing, ayy. I forgot the rest, but that's all I got. Thank you for coming to my show, to my TikTok dance. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm getting my favorite tea right now in the basement because that's where we store it. Oh my god, look at this beauty, this collection. I'm just gonna grab one. I'll show you guys. This is what I love. Unsweetened lemon iced green tea. It's the best. However, I'm really extra and I like to add just a little something to the tea. I'll show you guys. And I just put in a straw to this. For some reason, I don't have metal straws. I don't, okay, I know. So I'm using these straws. They're made from plants, so they're better than plastic. But I need to get some metal straws, maybe. so good. My favorite summer drink. You guys need to try it. Let me know if you guys try it. It's so good. Cheers. It is around 7:30 right now and we're getting ready to eat dinner. Cooking up some dinner. We have cauliflower rice, green peas, and we have the rice, salmon, and we have a mom. Hold it up more. That will be part of the thumbnail. You know what I'm talking about? Okay. Yes. Wow. Yes. Yes. This is one of my favorite meals ever. I'm so excited. Okay. Dinner time. We like to eat in the living room so that we can watch TV while we eat. And let's take a bite. It's really, really good. And healthy too. Okay guys, I'm getting ready for bed. Let's put the hair into a bun. Oh, hell no. I just don't get how people like naturally does like a messy bun. How do you do a messy bun? Please teach me, because I don't know how you do it. Okay, this is the best I can do. Okay guys. So I am wearing a light makeup, just like concealer and brows. So I will remove that. What I like to use is this Simple Micellar Water. It's literally almost gone, guys. It's so good. Using this pad. And I'm gonna put some on there. So, just taking off. It also takes off dirt, so if you're not wearing makeup and you don't want to use a face wash, you could also use this. I personally like doing both. I do this to take off makeup, and then I use face wash to wash off like the oiliness and some leftover dirt. But this overall does a really good job taking things off, so.